Okay, all right, guys. We got a problem today, okay? So I have my Tesla, right? Take a look over there. That's my Tesla. My Tesla, okay? And then I want to open the trunk, the front, okay? Front, trunk, front. You see how this thing is stuck?
Yeah.
Okay, so Tesla has two latch for the front, okay? The primary and the secondary. This is the secondary. If the primary latch is broken or malfunctioned, then it won't even open, right? Now it opened just a little bit, but you see how it's still locked? That's the secondary latch that is malfunctioned. Okay, so how do we fix this? So in my case, I already know that this is gonna happen because I fixed the primary, and when I fix the primary, I actually tie a string to it. So now that my secondary is broken, all I have to do is just pull and it works. Now, that's because I already know that this problem is gonna happen, right? Let's go ahead and close it. Let's do it again. If you don't have that string actually installed to it, how are you gonna open this, right? Okay, again, it's stuck, okay? This is one of the tricks that I found that can actually help you. First, if you have a watch, take it off. You don't need it, because what I'm about to do can actually hurt your hand a little bit, okay? But because my hand, look, my hand is good. It's a little bit skinny. So what you do is, on this side, push it up a little bit. Squeeze your hand in there. Now that my hand is in, then I drag my hand over. Okay, you might want to come down a little bit because there's something in there. It's catching the hook, right? So now I move my hand over, right? I can touch, I can feel the latch now, okay? But if I'm just gonna pull it, it's not gonna let me, because this thing is giving the friction, right? So what I really have to do is, while I'm trying to pull it, open the latch, unhook the latch, I have to press it down just a little bit, right? Press it down. When I press it down, I can feel that latch actually got released. The pressure is off, and when the pressure is off, I can use my finger and pull it. Okay, let me try. 1, 2, 3. I just about get it. Got it. Okay. Whew. Look, it hurt, but I got it open, okay? So, what you really need to do is, once you get it open, you need to replace it, okay? Like I say, the secondary latch is the one that needs to replace, okay? All right? And I'm gonna show you how to replace it. We're gonna take all this off. Let's get to it. Okay, all right, let's get this replaced. All right, it's actually pretty easy. First, remove this. You should be able to just pop. There you go. Get this out. Then that should be a bunch of 10mm screw have to be removed. This one should be able to just pop it. Pull up, pull up. That's it, right there. Okay. Take the carpet. Should be able to see those. Okay. All right. So pop. Okay, and go ahead and remove this. Okay, all right. Now that we remove all those front panel, now you can see the latches, the mechanism here. Okay, like I say, there are two latch. Okay, primary and the secondary. Primary is this one at the front. Okay, this is the secondary. Okay, this is the one that I actually tie the string to it, because like I say, I anticipate that it's gonna be bad pretty soon when my primary is broken. That's when I actually realized that, okay, this thing can be very inconvenient, okay, when it decides to go out. That's no warning. So I went ahead and tied this, but if you don't need it, you don't need it. I'm gonna actually go ahead and leave it for now. Anyway, so I bought a new one. It's actually not very expensive. It's about $60 something right here, new one. Matter of fact, actually, if you cannot find the whole assembly, you can actually just replace this. It's actually pretty easy, pretty straightforward to replace just this. If I'm lazy, if I don't feel like taking out the whole thing, I can actually just remove this 2 screw, take this off, and then basically, yeah, just replace that. But since I have this, right, might as well just go ahead and replace the whole assembly. Anyway, so it's pretty straightforward. Again, 10mm. Right, that's right. So go ahead and remove the electric connector. There you go. Remove, and then 10mm. That, I think that's only 2. One here. A bit of rust. That's why. Okay, 2. All right. Should be able to remove. Take it out right now. Okay. Now this plastic clip. It's pretty straightforward. Push it both sides, and then should be able to pull it out. Got it out. Woo-wee. All right. Now, there you go. And it's a ball. There you go. It's out. All right. That's the old one. Made in Germany. All right. Throw that away. Now, put the new one in. Slice that ball in there. Now that it's catch, align the groove. Push it in. Align it so that, yeah, all this out of the way. And like this, okay? But go ahead and install this. Plug that in. Bam. And 2 10mm. There you go. That's it. Don't have to be too tight. All right. Now let's go ahead and install the panel back in. Okay. Yes. Also, that's a cable. Make sure it's not very in there. You're gonna need it. Okay, right there. Okay, should be right there. Okay, this one, put it to the side. Okay, now line them up. Line them up. Pop them in. Pop them in. Line them up. Pop them in. Okay, and then there are 2 screws here. Okay, 2 over here. Okay, there's 1 over here. And there are 2 underneath it. Okay, easy, should be it. Okay, now we have this connector. That's the release button. Let's go ahead and clip that in. All right, pull the string to the side just in case it doesn't work, and push down. All right. And I'm pretty confident that it's gonna work. That's why I put everything back in. If you're not sure about your work, you don't have to put it all back in. But I'm always confident. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right. All right. This. Them up. Pop them in. Done. Okay, let's give it a try. Let's go ahead and close it. All right. All the way. All right. Now, I'm gonna use my Tesla app. Okay. I'm gonna pop the frunk. Done. It's fixed. Woohoo! The whole thing take about, I don't know, it took me about maybe 15 minutes to 20 minutes. You know, if you ask Tesla to do it, easily $600 to $1,000. Yeah. The parts, about 60 bucks. And then 20 minutes of your time. Just watch my video. Give me a like. Okay? All right. Have a good one.